Hello, in this video I want to show you how to adjust date and time settings on Nikon Coolpix L830. To do this, you'll need to click on Menu button. Now navigate to the wrench icon and click on it. Here there's the second option, which is time zone and date. You can enter it and adjust the date format, date and time itself, time zone, and that's basically all of the settings you can change right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.